Hey everyone, gone cannywampus again. Okay, anyway, sorry about that. Hope all of you are doing well. I am. I just got some Arby's. And what I'm taste testing today is the Arby's what is this? It's got an artisan bun on it. I know that. This is, okay, it's the sugary bacon, sugar bacon Arby's BLT. I did not want onions on it. Not onions. Did not want mayonnaise. Cheddar, be quiet, please. You're ruining my video. Quiet. Quiet. I didn't want any mayonnaise on this. There's the triple sugar bacon, whatever, BLT. Okay, I'm ready. I did not want the mayonnaise. I was told specifically not to get the mayonnaise. Look at that thick bacon. Look at that. It's really good. Looks good. Smells good. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. Taste texture is excellent. Glad I didn't get the mayonnaise. I don't like mayonnaise on my sandwiches except for on tuna fish or in potato salad, but never on an artisan bun. Oh, there's the tomato I see. Triple thick bacon is good. Yeah, it's delicious. A few more bites. This is very good. I'm about to give a scale here. This bacon is very chewy, but it's very good. BLT. Very good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to rate this triple thick bacon BLT. Here's my rating. You ready for this? Da 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 da. On my rating scale, I give it an 8.5. 85% from 1 to 100. It's good. The chewiness of this bacon, that's why I don't give it 100. Bacon is good, but it's a little chewy from my side. It is good if you don't put mayonnaise on it, but if you want mayonnaise for this BLT, from what I hear, they put loads and loads and loads of mayonnaise. So if you like mayonnaise, you're gonna like this and probably give it a 10. But I don't, because I don't like mayonnaise on such a sandwich as this. It is good. Again, I gave it a 8.5 and 85%. Too much chewy on the bacon. It could have been, if it would have been less chewy. And if you like chewy bacon, then you like this. You'll give it a higher rating. But I don't really like chewy bacon. But the bacon is good. Don't get me wrong. So, everyone, hold on. I can't let go of this BLT. It's pretty good. So, without further ado, everyone out there, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your loved ones, tell your relatives to please subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification if you haven't already. Do that also. It helps my YouTube algorithms go up. Also, don't forget to crash the thumbs up button. Crash it today, tonight, tomorrow. Crash it. I tell you, I like this BLT. I highly recommend it. If you're a mayonnaise lover, get it. If you're not a mayonnaise lover, still get it. It's good. It's worth it. It's a good sandwich. Arby's did it again. Thank you, Arby's. Thank you all for watching. I'm glad you stayed until a full video is done. I'm gonna do a AOL call, prank call, in the future. That's in my plans, as usual. And all you haters out there, I am gonna delete your comments. If you're negative, it's deleted. All gone. No more. I'll only be positive. Okay, everyone. Hit that subscribe ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Also, comment down below. I forgot to mention that. Comment down below. Tell me what you think of this, or give me some ideas of other YouTube videos I could do. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also, share this video down below. There's a place where you can share it on your Facebook, on your Twitter, and I'll see you next time. Maybe I'll try and get some IRS scams going to call them on their scamming. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care. It was a pleasure. Thank you. Bye.